health enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have 5 mouth-watering beef recipes for weight loss. Let's get cooking and work towards a healthier you. Wait! Before starting the beef recipe video, we introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 5. Beef and cabbage roll soup. We have beef and cabbage roll soup as our 5th recipe. It's like a hug in a bowl. Simmer ground beef, cabbage, and rice in a flavorful broth. This soup is comforting, filling, and perfect for cold days. Recipe 4. Spicy beef and black bean chili. Our 4th recipe is spicy beef and black bean chili. It's a warm and comforting option. Simmer ground beef with black beans, tomatoes, and fiery spices. This chili is spicy, hearty, and full of flavor. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 3. Beef and broccoli cauliflower rice bowl. For a low-carb twist, try our beef and broccoli cauliflower rice bowl. Sauté ground beef with broccoli and serve over cauliflower rice. This bowl is a satisfying and guilt-free meal. Recipe 2. Zucchini and beef stuffed bell peppers. Next up, we have zucchini and beef stuffed bell peppers. They're a wholesome and filling option. Stuff bell peppers with a mixture of ground beef, zucchini, and spices. These peppers are packed with nutrients and flavor. Recipe 1. Lean beef and vegetable stir-fry. Our first recipe is lean beef and vegetable stir-fry. It's a colorful and nutritious delight. Stir-fry lean ground beef with a rainbow of vegetables and a savory sauce. This dish is packed with flavor, fiber, and protein. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get Alpilean? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.